Hi there. I'm here today to introduce to you a battery holder with belt clip for the Apple Vision Pro battery. This holder is designed to perfectly fit onto the Apple Vision Pro battery and installed with just a click. The battery can be installed in either the top or bottom direction to meet your needs. The holder does not block the top charging port from access, so you can charge it while in use or while the battery is installed in the holder. The battery easily comes out of the holder via the easy removal cutouts at the top of the holder. You just push the top out to remove the battery whenever you'd like to. The holder supports belts up to 1.5 inches tall and 1/4 inch thick. And when installed on the belt, that holder holds really snug. The holder also comes with a white cable tie to secure the excess battery cord of your Apple Vision Pro headset. We offer the holder in white and a variety of other colors to match your style or color preferences. We have orange, we have glitter gray, red, blue, purple, and yellow available. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this product overview.